What if your career allows you to uncover lost civilizations, ancient secrets, and forgotten histories? Archaeology is no longer just about digging old ruins. In 2026 and beyond, it is becoming a technology driven, research based, and globally respected career. Hello everyone, this is Priyanka B from Career Guidance India YouTube channel, and today we are going to explore a fascinating and meaningful career option, archaeology. Many students think archaeology is only about excavations, but that is just one part of it. Let us understand this slowly and clearly. So, what is archaeology? Archaeology is the study of ancient civilizations, historical structures, artifacts, cultural remains, human history. It also helps us to understand the how people lived, what they built, what they believed, how societies evolve. It also combines both history, science, technology, and research. So let's explore the career options in archaeology one by one. First one, field archaeologist. So what do they will do? They will conduct excavations, survey historical sites, and collect artifacts and record the findings. They also work at excavation sites, heritage zones, historical monuments. This role requires physical stamina, patience, research skills. Second one, archaeological researcher. So they will study the artifacts, they will analyze historical data, they will publish research papers. They also work in universities and research institutes. This path requires masters or PhD. Also, strong analytical skills. Third one, museum curator. So they will manage historical collections, preserve the artifacts, design the exhibitions, educate the visitors. So this role combines knowledge, organization, public communication. Fourth one, heritage manager. So they will protect cultural sites, they will work with government bodies, they will manage conservation projects, they also plan tourism development. This field is growing due to heritage tourism, cultural preservation awareness. Fifth one, archaeological consultant. So, private companies hire consultants for construction site surveys, environmental impact assessment, historical site clearance. So, before building the large projects, companies must check if the land has historical value. This creates demand for trained archaeologists. Sixth one, digital and tech based archaeology, which means future focused. In 2026, archaeology is becoming more technology driven. Modern archaeologists use GIS mapping, drone surveys, 3D scanning, ground penetrating radar, AI based data analysis. Students who combine archaeology with technology have higher career opportunities. To become an archaeologist, after 12th, you must opt for BA in archaeology or history or anthropology, or BSc for scientific archaeology. In postgraduate, you can choose MA or MSc in archaeology, specialized courses in heritage management, PhD for research careers. So here salary depends on government roles, research institutions, museum and private consultancy where the people will work. In the beginning, income may be moderate, but with the experience going on, they will have research positions, international projects, consultancy roles, which offer better growth. So, now let's talk about the future demand. Archaeology has increasing demand because heritage tourism is growing worldwide. Governments are investing in cultural preservations. Infrastructure projects require heritage clearance. digital archaeology is expanding, climate change is affecting heritage sites, which requires experts. Countries with rich history, including India, need trained professionals to preserve the cultural identity. So, yes, archaeology has steady and meaningful demand in the future. Choose this career if you love history, if you enjoy research, if you are patient enough, if you don't mind field work, if you are curious about human civilizations. This is not a shortcut career, it requires dedication and long term learning. Archaeology is not just about studying the past, it is about protecting the identity, culture, and heritage for the future. If you want a career that is meaningful, research driven, and culturally important, archaeology is worth exploring. If you want more hidden and future ready career options explained clearly, subscribe to Career Guidance India by Priyanka B. And let's move forward with clarity today and confidence tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video.